Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of one of the most established accounting platforms in Australia, Recon. If you are a business owner, a freelancer, or a bookkeeper trying to figure out if Recon is worth your money in 2025, then this video is what you need. I'll walk you through a full overview, the features that matter, the real pricing, and the pros and cons of using Recon. Let's get started. Recon is an Australian-made accounting platform designed specifically for Australian businesses. This means everything from GST rules to BAS reporting to single-touch payroll is built directly into the system. Unlike global accounting tools that adapt local features later, Recon was created from the ground up with Australian compliance in mind. Recon is also more than just one product. It's a suite that includes Recon One, a flexible cloud-based accounting tool for small businesses. Recon Payroll, a dedicated payroll solutions with STP compliance. Recon Account Hosted, a cloud-hosted version of their powerful desktop software for bigger or more complex businesses. And of course, there are bookkeeping and practice management tools for professionals who handle multiple clients. One of the biggest selling points of Recon is its modular pricing. Instead of forcing you to pay for a big bundle that you don't need, Recon lets you choose only the modules that you want, which may be invoicing, payroll, projects, timesheets, inventory, and more. This helps small businesses avoid paying for features that they'll never use. Another strength is flexibility. So whether you're a solo freelancer, a small cafe, or a multi-company setup, Recon has an option that fits. Cloud-based plans for mobility, hosted plans for power users, it's all a system that grows with you. Now let us talk about the main features of Recon. Invoicing and billing. You can create and customize invoices, send them directly from the system. You can even set up recurring invoices and handle customer payments easily. Bank feed and reconciliation. Recon supports multiple bank feed types, giving you automated transaction imports and fast reconciliation. Payroll and STP. One of Recon's strongest features is the payroll. It supports single-touch payroll, which is STP, calculates super, generates payslips, and handles all your regulatory employee reporting needs. GST and BAS reporting. Recon automates GST tracking and prepares BAS reports for lodgement. This alone saves many businesses hours every quarter. Then there's also reporting and cash flow tracking. You get profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flow reporting, budgeting tools, and a library of detailed financial reports. There are add-ons and integrations. You can add things like timesheets, projects, payroll, payment acceptance, and connect with apps used by bookkeepers and accountants. Then there's security and local compliance. Because Recon is Australia-made, all the tax settings, the thresholds, and compliance modules align with local laws by default. These features combine to create a complete accounting system that works for a wide range of businesses. Now, what is the pricing of Recon like? The pricing depends on what you're using Recon for. If it's an accounting-only service that you need, there's the Accounting Plus plan at $12 per month. They currently have a 50% discount for 3 months, and the Accounting Premium plan at $23 per month. Now, if you want to do the payroll only, then you have Payroll Essentials at $8 per month, Payroll Plus at $16 per month, and Payroll Premium at $30 per month. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Recon? First, the pros. It has strong Australian compliance. GST, BAS, and STP are built-in and reliable. Modular pricing. You only pay for the features that you need. Flexible bank feeds. It has good automation for transaction imports, and there are multiple versions available. You can choose cloud-based or hosted depending on your needs. Now, what about the cons? Well, the interface is not as modern as competitors like Xero or QuickBooks. Some advanced automation and integration options may feel limited depending on what you're used to. And the modular pricing, while it's truly flexible, it may become confusing for users who are not sure which features they need. So is Recon worth it? Well, here's my honest and balanced conclusion. If you're an Australian small business or a bookkeeper who prioritizes tax compliance, accurate payroll, and cost control, then Recon is absolutely worth it. The fact that it's designed specifically for the Australian market makes a huge difference, especially for businesses that need STP payroll, BAS lodgement, and automated GST tracking. However, if you're someone who values a very modern interface, or if your business depends heavily on third-party automation and marketplace integrations, then Recon may not feel as polished as some of its competitors. But overall, Recon strikes a strong balance between affordability, compliance, and functionality, and that makes it one of the best accounting software options worth choosing. And that's it on the review of Recon. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Xero, QuickBooks Online, and MYOB. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.